Find the coordinate of the point of trisection. Tri मतलब तीन. Three equal part. This is known as a trisection of a line segment joining 2 points for -1 and -2 -3. We start the solution. A point for -1, B point -2 -3. Now we draw the diagram. With help of the diagram we can solve easily. For -1, B point -2 -3. We have to try the trisection point, means a 3 equal part. A P point, Q point, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, तीनों तीन इक्वल है इसलिए हम 1 1 1 कई सर के लेते हैं के ये कितना हुआ 2K या 2 हुआ. P point XY, let P AB ले लो, AB and Q CD are trisection point. C, D बराबर राइट है. अभी P डिवाइड P1 AP 1 पार्ट है और PB 2 पार्ट है, 1:2 हुआ. PAB डिवाइड AB in ratio AP is to PB, AP equal to 1:2. Therefore, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2, right? A point for -1 equal to x1 y1. B point -2 -3 x2 y2 x2 y2. X equal to m1 x2 m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y equal to m1 y2 m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here x equal to, what is the m1 1, what is x2 -2, m2 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 2 -2 plus 8 upon 3 6 upon 3 2. Therefore x equal to 2. Now y equal to 1 into, what is y2 -3 m2 2 y1 -1 upon 1 plus 2 -3 -2 upon 3. Y equal to -5 upon 3. This is coordinate of y. तो P coordinate 2, -5 upon 3, ये हमको P मिला. Therefore P AB equal to 2, 5 upon 3. हम लिखेंगे यहाँ AB. Now Q point QCD CD is midpoint of PB. C equal to A plus x2 upon 2, D equal to B plus y2 upon 2, here x1, y1, x2, y2 upon 2. What is A? A equal to 2, x2 equal to minus 2 upon 2, D equal to, what is B? Minus 5 upon 3, y2 minus 3 upon 2, C equal to 0 upon 2, C equal to 0, D equal to LCM 3, minus 5 3 3 जा 9 इंटू 2 अपन में जाएगा, D इक्वल टू माइनस 14 अपॉन 3 इंटू 2 2 7 जा, D इक्वल टू माइनस 7 अपॉन 3, तो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ Q 0 माइनस 7 अपॉन 2, F और P 2 minus 5 upon 2 and Q point 0 minus 7 upon 2 are trisection points. Thank you.